So Google just launched its new model, which is Gemma 412B, and it's doing some huge claims. So today we are going to do some stress test of this model. We are going to check its coding, check its writing skills, check its other skills which Google says is doing. So let's hammer on this model. And I'm Vikramjit, and let's get started. So before starting this video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. It's a very new channel, and I am seeing lots of views and good watch time, but people are not subscribing. So if you subscribe to my channel, it will be helpful for me to bring you new experiment on all the new models coming and also some tech news. So let's do it. So yeah, you can see I have already opened the LM Studio, and let us load the model, which is Gemma 412B. Okay, this is 8-bit quantized model. You can get for 4-bit quantized model in around 7 to 8 GB, but this is 12 GB model. Okay, now just because of this context window, it increased the size. So let's go to 16K. Okay, so that it can hold a little bit context, and we have offloaded whole 48 layer on the GPU, and let's load the model first. Let's see how it was. So you can see we have a whole vision. It's a vision model, it's a thinking model, and I have added this code interpreter and drag v1. So the model is loaded, and let us see the activity monitor. Yes, you can see the model is loaded totally, and it is using around 25 GB of the VRAM. Now let's give our best prompt ever. Hi. It's processing. We are getting 3.05 tokens per second. That is the reason is we are using OBX out here. So it normally gives AF 8 tokens or 7 to 8 tokens per second. Yeah, see, you can see I was getting 10 tokens or something like that. Just because it's OBS, we are getting this little token. Now, as the vision model, we'll give some vision later. Okay, let's do some coding. All right, let's ask it to make a game. Can we make a game in Gemma 4? I never thought of this. Let's give the prompt. Okay, so let's make a game. All right, let's make a game. It will be web-based, standard HTML in Three.js, something like temple run. Let's see what it does. Okay, while it do its job, I have also OMLX installed in this laptop, and I have also OLama installed in this laptop. So on OMLX, I have also installed this Gemma 4, which is MLX model, which is made for Apple Metal, so that it runs faster and smooth. So once we do this, then we will test the same model here on VS Code. So we will show you how we can run this model on VS Code, and if it's feasible to run this model on VS Code or not. But there's a very big claim from Google. You can see here. Yeah, so it says like it is very near to its new other Gemma 4 model, which are like 31B. So this is my MacBook Pro M5. You can see it's like 32 GB of RAM. Guys, again, please do subscribe my channel so that we can do some good testing in future. You can see the memory usage is still around 24.8. It's good for tool calling, this is. So we will test everything one by one. So you can see it's done, and it already gave us the code, the whole code on HTML. So let us open VS Code, and we make a new folder in the desktop. We call it Gemma 412B. So it's just for test, and let me open it. Let me make a file index. I made index.html, and this is what I was testing with Continue.dev on Gemma 412B. We will do it. We'll test it. We'll test everything. But for now, let us test this code for now. Paste and save inside this folder. Okay, this is the HTML file. Okay, this is the game. Okay. It's a basic game it made, but it's quite cool. Like how nowadays the this AI are doing. Okay, let's stop it. Okay, now you can see we have continue.dev in VS Code, and we have this file here. I already configured Gemma 412B here on VS Code with LM Studio. Let us see how it works. Okay, optimize this game and make the blocks as human figure and make the environment better. They're comparing it with Gemma 426 billion parameter model, and you can see this Gemma 412B parameter model is exceeding in some test, but also it is very near to 26B, like 10% difference on live code benchmark you can see here. So it is a unified architecture, by the way. So you know what unified architecture is. So normally what happens when you send any image or any audio to a model, it needs a decoder. All right, but in Gemma 412B, it do not need the decoder. It directly send the file to the model, and model processes directly. So which is faster and which also keeps the uh, size of the model smaller. Okay, so you can get it from here, Hugging Face or Kaggle. It's easier to download it on LM Studio. You can see it's already thinking. It's reading the file also. We have memory uses of 27 GB, which is pretty okay till now. So we don't have any issue currently because the model size is smaller, and it's having 16K of context. Okay, it's doing its job. So let me stop the OBX for a while and let's wait until it's complete. Okay. So yes, it's going to be an hour, and it's failing actually. So it is doing its work, talking to us on continue.dev in VS Code, but it's failing to write the codes. We can stop it, and we can try to put the whole thing in this chat window only, and let's see if it can do the job better, so that we can copy it from there and we will put it in this VS Code page, index.html page. All right, let's see. And while it is doing its job, I have OMLX out here. I think it's done, and yeah, it gave a new code. It did some reasoning. It's a thinking model, so it takes time to do some reasoning. Let me copy the code and let me replace it, save it, and let us run it. Okay, look at this. Wow, it's pretty nice and amazing. Okay, it actually nice. It's just 12 billion model and is doing extreme good job. I am impressed. I am really impressed with Gemma 412B. This is, by the way, remember this is 8-bit quantized model. This is not a 4-bit quantized model. Okay, so it's a pretty good model. Let us load this model and let us make a new chart and attach an image. So we'll attaching this image, and this is a GitHub image. Okay, this is HEIC image, not a JPEG image. All right, so it is HEIC. So let us try to open it. Oh no, it does not support. So what we are going to do, we are going to export in JPEG. All right, so yeah, let us test if what Google is claiming, that it understand image. So let's see if it really understand it or not. So what can you see? Okay, so guys, you can see it's done, and it actually gave us the whole description of the page, which is correct, and it's nice. Let me try give it a different screenshot. Okay, okay, let us ask what is the name of the channel. Okay, so you can see the thought, and it actually did some good reasoning, and it gave the channel name I am Vikramji, and yes, I am impressed with this model. It's a very small model, and the vision is good. So let us do one more test. All right, let's see how it writes. So I'm giving it a little bit complex structure to resonate and tell me what to do. So let's load up the model, and this time I'm going to tell it that I do YouTube video. I tested Gemma 4 and made a video. Tell me niche for the next video with dialogues. I think it will understand. Let's see what it does. It was thinking for 2 minutes 20 seconds and it did pretty good. So you can see on thinking only it gave 3-4 options. I like this option, this option D on developmental coding path, and I also like the take head-to-head comparison focus, which is like Gemma 4 versus Llama 3 open source war. And it also thought like why it will work, and then it provided me the options. Now it's continue. Okay, this is C. It's already giving me the script, the dialogue. Oh, it is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's good in writing. It's good in thinking. This is a great model. It's only 12 billion parameter and it's already doing some good work. From my end, it's an interesting model. It's a very good model. So let us test this model on OMLX. I already told you that we have OMLX. The server is starting, you can see, and let's start with the model. Okay, model manager. So you can see I have already downloaded this model before. Oh, we have to load the model. Okay, let us load it. What? VRAM load fail. Type Java Unified not supported. Nice. Okay, Gemma 426p supported it. This is weird. So it's a very new model, right? 2 days back it launched, so they might be making this model for MLX version, so it takes a little bit of time. There can be glitches. Let me stop the server. Let me quit OMLX for now. So this is the page. Gemma 4 12B IT. They are comparing it with E4B and 31B. So it is in the middle, in a sweet spot where it have the good characteristic of 31B and it is faster as E4B. Yeah. So the charts are here. You can always visit Hugging Face and see them, or you can also pause the screen and you can go through the chart out here. Tomorrow I'm going to make a new video on Qwen 26B MLX. Okay, and in Apple MLX version runs pretty well, so we are going to do it, and we are going to do some good coding tests because that's a dense model. It's a 27 billion parameter model, and I think it will be a great test. So if you like this video, please subscribe down below. Your subscription will help me a lot testing these models in different machines, and if I'm missing something, please comment down below. I will definitely try to rectify them. I will try to do some different tests also. If you want to see testing this model in a different way, do let me know, and till then, subscribe. Bye.